Hi, I'm Brianna Gibbons. I just went on a mall haul and I got some cool Bratty model things. I just got this new tee. Fits quite well, doesn't it? They got in many different colors too. It's thin, so you can wear it on a hot day, but at the same time, it's got certain material that can keep you warm. I also got this. It's perfect for sports. Like track, you can keep your running shoes in it. It's very portable too. You can take it anywhere. You can keep magazines, books, anything. And like, look at it. It's super cool. I also got this. That's not big enough for you? Here you go. You can take this on sports trips too, or traveling, or you can just use it to sleep over at a friend's house. It's pretty cool. I use it for my modeling classes, but Bratty Models definitely got some cool stuff. Tell me what you think.